Hello children, how are you doing learning about space? Have you been enjoying the slides? Have you been exploring outside in the sky at night? Things like stars, the moon, planets. The first planet you see is actually Venus. That's the evening star. It's beautiful and bright and actually has volcanoes on it too. Here we have our beautiful big golden sun, the hot, hot fireball that you must never ever look at. Shall we sing our sun song? Do you remember it? Let's try it together. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Remember, the sun gives us heat and warmth, so we need it every day to grow and live on Earth. Here is planet Earth in the bottom, and it's known as the blue planet. There are clouds around here. Let's learn about the sun. Inside the sun there are tiny pieces called atoms, and when they squash together, an explosion happens of heat and light. The sun continually explodes because it's a giant ball of gas, and when you see those explosions, it's called a solar flare. Anything with the word solar in it means something to do with the sun, and anything with the word lunar in it has something to do with the moon. Over here we have a comet. It looks like a flying ball of fire. A comet has a sort of center or head and what looks like a tail trailing behind it. It's actually just ice or fire or gas. Yes, this one is made of ice. Here we have a black hole. They're sometimes found in distant galaxies in our universe, and nobody really knows where they go. Here is a big space station, and astronauts work and live here for years. This astronaut is doing repairs outside the space station. Inside this space station, there is no gravity, actually anywhere in space. Gravity means your body is heavy when you walk on Earth, but it's not heavy in space. It's light and you float everywhere. So you need to make sure you don't float away. Most of space has a lot of openness called a vacuum. Here we have flying rocks called meteorites. The meteorites that crashed into the moon left craters. That's why it looks so bumpy. Craters are also found on Earth. In America, in Arizona, in the desert, there's a huge big crater which was caused by a flying meteorite that crashed into the ground and left an enormous big hole. Sometimes stars get so big and heavy that they collapse and explode into something called a supernova. Over here we have stars gathering together into massive clusters called a galaxy. This is a space shuttle, and that's what you need to go and explore space in. Stars take such a long time to show their light to us on Earth, but when you go to space you get closer to them to explore. Here we have our planet Saturn. It's got rings around it that look like a hula hoop. It's actually just dust and gas that go around the planet. This is our biggest planet, Jupiter. It's actually a massive cloud of poisonous gases. In the middle of Jupiter you'll see there's a sort of eye looking shape, and it's actually just gas. The universe is so big, and there are so many more stars and planets and moons than we could ever count. We don't know how many are out there. Here is planet Earth, and it's always spinning around and around. When you go to sleep at night, the moon is in one place, But when you wake up in the morning, it's in a different place. That's because the Earth has turned all the way around. This is a satellite that helps to send your TV signal to your home, and it also helps Mummy and Daddy's cell phones to work. Satellites can do important jobs. Oh dear, this one is broken. I don't think it's going to work anymore. And there's the sea on the other side of the world, and here is the land. You can see the clouds are white. This man is a scientist, and he is looking through a telescope up at all the stars. Right, let's do another story.